A little wetter than planned.
Here's where the course first leaves the road and goes across a dedicated bike trail, and off to the right we can see back to the city of Chico across the fields, and the mountains if it weren't so gray. Turns out we rode right past the Honey Run covered bridge, built in 1886 originally, burned in the campfire in 2018, but recently reopened just last year, and then to the rest stop in Paradise, and on from there. After arriving back in Paradise, we find a new trail. This one is an old railroad trail that was set up as a memorial for the founders of the city. So each of these plaques brings up a little story about the various families that founded Paradise back in the day. As you can see, the trail has recently been completely redone. It is in great shape. As it turns out, this is the backside of the hotel we stayed at the night before. You can see it's in a fairly heavily rebuilt area after all the fires. Eventually, about 40 miles into the ride, it finally did dry out. And here the final descent down into the valley before we enter the flat sections.